Bafethu noMvaluze wamxelela ezinkonqeni lo ngu-Ashley Souls into yoba yena into akayizele eParliament kukuzoprotectana nemigulukudu. Siphosiwe izolo nge-29 kaJanuwari 2026 andithi asisayibukeli isifakela i-slowdown. Hayi-ke bekuzibuya izolo. Mamelani ithini into yakhona ku-appeara i-witnesses zethu. Eyokuqala wayeyi-head of la secret service account ye-crime intelligence lekubane kuthiwa /fund nguThiyani Hlungwane. Owesibini nguMelusi Mlandu waye-executive director e-City of Joburg. Mamelani beza ngani? Hayi bokushushu. uThiyani lona uthethe into eninzi nje malunga nendlela bokumisuswa imali le secret service account, waze waveza nenye ipoint ethi kukhona nalapho i-ANC yayi-requeste ityhona bani ke ngokulento i-implicator uFikile Mbalula. Kwaku-requestwe into yoba kuthengwe igrabber nge-45 million. Uthe apho cabangatha akayiginyi ncam lento lena wathagethwa, hayi bamfrustrate nje emsebenzini. So uzamile nje ukuyibalisa nje into yakhona, ayimkhiphi ke no former minister uBhekicele, ayimkhiphi nje nayo lonto leyo. Apho babefuna kuthengwa ntoni igrabber nge-45. Bafethu inani le grabber, yenzani le grabber? Angicingi nje into yoba masizithengele igrabber bathi besigrabber sibagrabhe nabo. Angeke siyimele lento. Angiqondi into obingasehlula into yoba sizithengele yethu igrabber sizoyibona into bathi besigrabber besenza lo mishukushiki lo migunyathi whatever bazabe beyenza besispaya besithini sispaye nabo nathi. Ngeke siyimele into okuspaywa ngabo. So nje uthethe nje into efana naleyo. Hayi ke phumani ngapho. Sibuye size kuMelusi. uMelusi sizayikhumbula istory sakhona. General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi waveza ubungqina boba uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya wayesebenza esipoliseni, wagxothwa esipoliseni, wahamba wayosebenza eCity of Joburg. Usebenza eCity of Joburg apho kwakhona uNdonakele. Ivela ke ngokinto ethi waqashwa ngendlela enobugulukudu, enobugunyathi, engaqondakali. I-implicate abani lento? I-implicate uHerman Mashaba because imeya yelo xesha kwakunguHerman Mashaba. Uba ngabe ufuna ukuyazi nje istory sakhona i-testimony yakhona because dayikhavara ngoko kwakuzi-19 zikaSeptember 2025. Go back to my previous post kulapho uzasibamba khona istory uba kwenzekani. But nje wagxothwa weza kwaCity of Joburg. Hayi ke kulapho kube khona ukumisuswa, ukulahleka nje imali ingaqondakali bayephi o 3.5 million o 580 million abangazeki incam into bayathini. Kwakhona nezitholo zoba wafuthi uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya waba nomtchina uthengayo City of Joburg. I think into kwenza kwayigrabber but inokuspaya nje umtchini wakhona. Niyayibona ba hey inomsebenzi omkhulu lo mtchini lo. So yakhona nje into ezithole ngathi zinjalo. Hayibo kuthe xa kunjalo wa-investigator uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya wane cases ngapha watshone vela kuthe kusenjalo. Hayi xa kayibona ukuthi ibhemile hayibo ubhizi akayekanga ulwa necase yakhe yogxothwa kwasesipoliseni. Kuthe kusenjalo bamthatha back esipoliseni. This is after bengazange bayo oppose even the time ezama ukulwa nalonto leyo. Mosuba ngaba babelwile ikhona into ethi noba engazange abe uyabuya but because umane silusula icourt yaze yaphetha ikhipha ijudgment yoba makaphindele emsebenzini. Phinde laphi? Uphindele esipoliseni. Wathathwa wafakwa kwi-position ethile within a year, wasuswa wafakwa kwi-heartbeat ke ngoku of esipoliseni. Kulapho ke ngoku ayizambhoroma khona, lapho efumene khona hayi ukuzenzela wenza unothanda khona uJeneral. Kunento ethethwe ngunto apha ethethwe nguMelusi. Wathi uMelusi futhi phansi kwalonto. So mamelani ke, so ibe khona into ethi before bem-appointa back because uhamba ngapha sekechiyachisa wabamenza aware unto because ngelo xesha kwakukhona uBhekicele wayenguminister lo xesha uNational Commission kunguye yena lo uFani Masemula naye iyamfaka ke ngokulento lena because iyamibuza inemibuzo ethi umqashe njani umuntu ongathi uyachisa. Aniyenzanga yini verifications? Aniyenzanga yini ama-competency? Animvethanga yini uGeneral Sibiya because isikhundla kakuso especially uba angene kwesisikhundla within a year sekefumana esinye isikhundla. Phofu nale eCity of Joburg enze the same thing. Wafika ingathi eqashelwa iposition ethile within a short space of time was promoter or wabapromotana ngendlela enobugulukudu engaqondakali. So ibe khona ke into engathi njalo ke. So wayiveza lonto leyo uGeneral. So uMelusi lona uza ke ngoku yena ngabe nisithi ezo representa iCity of Joburg okanye enobungqina boba hayi ndiyasazi lento ethethwa nguGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi yona injalo. Hayi uza umuntu othetha ngamaphepha ne-signatures zobo bani basayina bathini yonke lonto leyo ikhona. Mamelani ke ngoku uJames uthathana naye ke ngoku uMelusi because inoba uimplicate abani uimplicator uHerman Mashaba ngeaction SA andithi uJames vele uJames siyamthanda ngendlela akenza ngayo but la mcimbi xa simane sisitsho sithi bazoprotectana nepolitical parties zabo more than babeza protectana neSouth Africans yinto engathi njalo ndidisappointed even nakuJames because uthe esiza nalento yakhe uMelusi uza nobungqina bakhe uJames still ngathi uyambona uzama ukucleara because uthe thetha ngezi uba because thina uHerman Mashaba ngendlela esimazi ngayo sazi ngathi ungumuntu o-anti corruption but ngendlela kamportray ngayo uMelusi umbonise nje ngokungathi naye ungomnye wemigulukudu into nje ngathi njalo so uJames ke uveze ezinye izinto uzoba okay njoba uzothetha kakubi kangaka ngoHerman Mashaba why ungathethi ezinhle ngaye akazenzile so uthi lona hayi mnanzelanga into bandizothetha nganto yonke because ininzi into bengayithetha ngeCity of Joburg qha ndize nje apho uba ndiceliwe ndizongqinelana nobungqina bukaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uba le nto akayithetha ngoGeneral Shadrack Sibiya injalo hayi ke akayiyekanga into yoba nje ungumgulukudu uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya hayi ke futhi ibona nje uyabona nje into yoba imfazwe yabo nje inkulu and khona nento endiyazi into yoba kwindoda andithethi ngezinye i-tribes neninga please do not be offended but endodeni yomXhosa uyixelela into yoba nguboy awuyixelela into yoba yinkwenkwe so abe khona amagama engathi anjalo uShadrack Sibiya akawaxelela uMelusi hayi ke madoda uyithethi loo nto endodeni yomXhosa hayi uyabona nje into yoba akakwatanga ugwanunwabu into yoba nje azomxelela into yoba ndiyinkwenkwe so nje it's all about that so esitsho sithi even ingathi hey unamandla madoda uShadrack Sibiya kuvakale kusitsho even uchief whip we-ANC into yoba yibo it means upowerful uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya and it means one day singathi silala nje sivuke thina sokuthiwa sine-national commissioner engumgulukudu ngendlela okungayo because uyambona into yoba u-untouchable even nangoku I fail to understand into yoba kuze njani into yoba abe igama lakhe yena alikho umzekelo uNkosi uSearch Nkosi igama lakhe lifike via igama likaGeneral Shadrack Sibiya because iye yabakhona into yothu bekethunywa yena ethunywa yena masithi bekeyilirana likaGeneral Shadrack Sibiya esebenza noGeneral Shadrack Sibiya eofisini so igama likaGeneral Shadrack Sibiya likhitshwa njani lona kulento lena phofu ningalibali uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya nomchunu and umchunu akuzuba lula into baprosecute because yena no because ikhona ozatsho athi uba ngaba you're not gonna make me go down and if I go down I'm not gonna go down alone azavela amagama anjalo so uzaprotectwa umchunu and I fail to understand oba igama lika minister suspended put on special leave Senzo Mchunu alikho njani phayana bakhona bebezathi no because akakagqibi kuMadlanga hayi maybe uShadrack Sibiya akakaveli that ayibo even yonkwashu abakezi kuMadlanga even yonkosi abakezi kuMadlanga commission so nje ininzi nje into uyabona ba umprotectwana wona uzaba khona and hey ningalibalanga phasi kwala testimony evelile mos into ba uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya ingathi nje unabo ubudlelwane nezikulu ezinkulu ezinobudlelwane nezinkulu so nje hey South Africans isesende yona le ndlela but nje kona ifuna into ba singathuli sithethe sirase sikhwaze izawulunga yona country yethu ngoba sinayo enye country bafethu mina ndizimiselanga ukuthi ndiyobizwa andithi xa belapha ndibabiza amakwerekwere andizimiselanga ngiyobizwa ikwerekwere mina kwenye indawo and njoba i-country yethu nje imosheka itheni kune video that I came across here yazi ngumcimbi engingathandi ngicama ukuwuthatha but nje ndithe xa ndiyibona ne ndatouched ngowangaphandle lo muntu uthi uba ngaba thina zi-South Africans asiboni ingxaki ngalamazwe angaphandle kungani thina singayi kuwo bendingqenqele xa ndiyibukela lo video hayi nje ngahlala ngempundo uba enhle kuthina hayibo ndayikhalisa hayi ukhona otshilo wathi nje uba ngaba sibona amazwe wabo right thina masiyohlala kubona abayindawo apha so nje mina personally it's one thing that I've always been asked by people even uba why don't I touch that topic it's a topic that I will touch at a later stage, but the focus yam for ngoku it was just to fight the criminal justice system. At some stage ndizayithatha nayo even layer topic. I don't have any issues with your foreign nationals, but nje ndiba nayo into ethi sometimes isingathi bangenza izinto ngomthetho because awuzukwazi ukubopha umuntu ongazi negama lakhe ongamazi nemvelaphi yakhe. Ingxaki sizazibhaqa sinayo leyo.
this 46 million. Is that the correct figure?
45, yeah.
45 million for the grabber.
Yeah.
Was its intention was to fund the ANC conference, correct?
Intelligence operatives, they even have a document, and I think you might have people in the CI. They have a document which points to this particular matter to say it was going to be used to fund this conference. Even Mr. McBride, he came here. He was investigating this thing. He came here to say this was going to be used. The same intelligence operatives.
So a portion of this amount was not going to purchase the grabber, was going to be taken for ANC conference affairs.
I firmly agree with that.
Do you believe that Mbalula was part of this arrangement?
The statement, which was written by General Stolle, because I never spoke to
General Stolle was acting at the time.
who was National Commissioner at the
National
time.
Commissioner,
Yes.
yes, yeah.
I'll provide that statement to the committee.
So in summary, the statement of General Stolle implicates Mbalula. He says
Definitely.
he was part of the plan.
Definitely. It says he was approached by Minister Mbalula, and then it goes on and on.
So Mbalula approached him to inflate prices so that the ANC conference can benefit. Now the question is, was it the ANC conference or an ANC faction that was going to benefit?
I don't know who was going to benefit, but as I said yesterday, individuals within the ANC, not the ANC, because there's never been a moment where the ANC or any of its top 6 officials who, by virtue of being top 6, they represent the ANC. They've never said to me or anybody I know that ANC wants this money for this particular purpose.
Okay. And
Yes.
then you are saying, after now, when you got to Nasrec, ultimately you agreed that you must not carry on with buying this grabber. After you went to Nasrec and met the people you met there. So, and then they said to you, you must pay 9 million for services already rendered, correct?
For services already rendered.
Were those services quantified to you?
Not to my knowledge.
And who said you must pay this 9 million?
It's not 9 million. I think it was about 7 million.
7 million.
Yeah.
Yes.
General Ngobo. Okay, first it was General Tumane who said we're gonna have to pay this person for the services already rendered.
Yes.
And then
did you ask which services?
I don't know.
No, I'm saying during your conversation, did you ask which services
I didn't
have been
ask
rendered?
I
didn't ask.
Yeah.
Yeah. So according to your observation, were there any services rendered?
I wouldn't know. I was not at the conference.
Have you not said the grabber was there already in the conference?
The grabber was there, but remember, the grabber is illegal. So I would not say for sure that the services were rendered for us because the grabber is illegal in itself. So I can't say that the services were rendered.
You are talking about a company, you call it here, Company Z.
Yes, sir.
Which stole millions from the Secret Service account.
Yes, yes.
Who stole those millions?
There's a lady there, and I must say, I'm sorry, but I'll mention the color of her skin because, and I'll explain why. There's a lady, a white lady, who's been assisting us with certain matters. So she's been, taking some of our money for herself. So I tried to, investigate that, but I was,
So that lady is the one who stole these millions.
yeah, she is, she stole. I
Did
mean,
you
she
report
stole.
that to the relevant authorities?
I reported that, my good sir. I
How
reported,
did you report it?
Eh?
How did you report it? Did you report it in writing?
in writing, in fact, the IG, Dr. Dindwe, before he left, he was about to investigate that particular matter, you see.
So did you have proof in your possession showing that monies were stolen?
Um, what do you mean proof in my
Proof as
possession?
a person who had a close proximity to the Secret Service account. You might have a bank statement or any relevant proof.
The information is with the Secret Services account. It's with Crime Intelligence. I was kicked out, so I could not have time to get any proof. But
So you don't have proof.
no, yeah. I even quoted an audit from the Auditor General. You see, when I left, as I'm saying, when I left, I was busy conducting a review of those monies, and then I was removed. I even explained here that General Kalakala even removed me. I even have an SMS of him threatening me. I can read it for the committee. It's here. You see?
Okay, now maybe we'll read it some
Yeah,
other time.
it's here. So
For the interest of time,
Yeah.
let's move to another question. You are saying after the procurement of bulletproof vests, Kwanazi and Masemula received Louis Vuitton, and in terms of the information that you got inside those bags, there were monies,
yes,
100,000 each.
100,000 each. Yes.
Who
And,
told you that?
maybe let me say it this way. The matter is being investigated, as you might know. It is being
Yeah,
investigated.
but remember, we're also investigating here. So we
Um,
can't be told that the matter is investigated
Yeah.
as if we're just doing an academic exercise.
yeah.
Who told you that Mkwanazi and Masemula received 100,000? Because Mr. Hlungwan,
Mm,
we're not really interested in words. We want proof because we're probing,
yes.
and we want to take things further.
Further, yeah.
So kindly help us with evidence showing that they received 100,000 each.
I'll answer it this way, sir. What I can say is that, and General Masemula knows this, there was at some point a warning statement, and Mr. Robert McBride at the time was removed, as you know, and there was disruption in that investigation. So what I will say is that I won't be able to reveal my source, but I implore you to follow up on the investigation.
No. I thought you are coming here to assist this investigation. So you can't now, when we ask for further particulars, tell us that the matter is being investigated elsewhere, as if here we're not we're doing idols. We're not doing idols here. We're investigating.
I agree, sir, that you are investigating. And as I'm saying that this matter, unless you want to do a parallel investigation in terms of criminal investigation, but this matter is being investigated. The same matter, the same one like the iView where people have been arrested, I mention it here. Nobody's asking for further particulars because the matter is in court.
Thank you.